Hi, and welcome to Craft Time at Edison Public Library. I'm Miss Jen, and today we will be making crystal pipe cleaner crafts. Aren't those lovely? So first, we will start with some hot water. Make sure you get some help with boiling it. Borax, a glass jar, some scissors, some string, tape, pencil or pen, and then some pipe cleaners. So let's start by boiling that water in a pot with some help from a parent. Okay, as that's boiling, we are going to first start with our icicle. So get a pen or a pencil, and you're going to rotate it around the pencil just like that, and then pull it out. If you want a little longer, you can stretch it out just slightly. Lovely. There's our icicle. Now let's do our snowflake, okay? Take 1, 2, and 3 pieces of pipe cleaner, and you're going to twist them around each other, just like so. Now spread out, and you have a snowflake, okay? Now you're going to take some string, spread it out, and you're going to cut it with a scissor, and you're going to tie it to one end of your icicle or snowflake. Oh, the water's ready. It's boiling. Okay, now that the water is boiling, okay, you take some borax, okay, and you put it into the boiling water, okay? Pour, 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 pour as much as more you pour. The more you put in, the more bigger your icicle or snowflakes are going to be. Okay? That's going to dissolve quite nicely. Then you're going to pour that solution of borax and hot water into your glass jar. It looks like there's some in there already. So we're going to take our glass jar with our hot water, so be careful, and we're going to put our snowflake in, and we're going, or our icicle, and we're going to suspend it right here. One way to suspend it is to tape the string to the side of the jar. Okay. Now you're going to leave it overnight. The longer you leave it, the bigger the crystals, and you can even watch it crystallize as it cools right in front of your very own eyes. Experiment with it. Use less borax, so be big, small crystals, and less time cooling. More time cooling and more borax makes bigger ice crystals. That is our crystal snowflake craft.